Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Justine and I do lots of cleaning, organizing, and minimalist videos here on my channel. So I hope if that is something that you like, you consider subscribing. But today I am going to be doing a morning kitchen routine. Right now, everything is kind of a mess. We got the kids off to school. Well, one kid is off to school, one's still here, so you may see her popping around in the background, but we have breakfast dishes. We just have to clean up. I'm actually filming this on a Monday, so I need to clean out my floors. I need to do a couple of things. I'm also gonna clean out the fridge a little bit because tomorrow is trash day. But I just wanted to share with you guys that this video is a collab with my friend Ashna here on YouTube. I have worked with her before. We did a Christmas decorate with me video and I love her channel. I love her motivation. I love everything about her channel. She has a beautiful home. She has like beautiful decorating style and all of that. So after you finish this video, I will have her video linked down below. So I hope you go over, check her video out and consider subscribing there as well and let her know that I sent you. But let's get this morning routine started. So here is a clip of Ashna's video. It looks like she is making something absolutely delicious, like gordita crunches or something amazing, but she is doing her nighttime kitchen cleaning routine, so I figured I would share with you my morning kitchen routine so you get the best of both worlds. I will have Ashna's video and channel linked down below, so make sure when you are done with this video you head over there and check out her channel as well.
We got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep.
So now that the breakfast dishes are loaded into the dishwasher and that is going, I am just going to clean out the sink. Typically we run the dishwasher every night, but the night prior there was not that much dishes in there, so I waited till the morning. And I also had boiled some chicken, so it was kind of like stuck to the bottom of this pan. So I let that soak overnight and now I am just going to get that scrubbed out and then scrub out my sink as well.
That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you.
Recently, I have been adding some essential oils to my drain, and it has been a game changer because no matter how much, especially if you have a garbage disposal and some food goes down the drain, there's always that little bit of like food smell. So that has been such a game changer and makes your whole house and whole kitchen smell amazing. So now I am just getting my protein bars into this little container here and off my counter to put those in the fridge, and then we're just going to put the apples away, just kind of clear off the counters and tidy up a little bit from over the weekend. Now that I have all of the counters wiped down and the toaster put away, and I also cleaned out the little crumb tray on there because I know I don't do it enough, I am just taking my thieves cleaner and I am just wiping down all of my counters and also wiping off the stovetop and just getting really in there because I noticed on this day there was, I think I had cooked chicken or something like that the day prior, so there was a little bit of grease and some things that did not get wiped up from the night before. So I'm just wiping all of that down and all of the counters down.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you. You save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you.
Now that I have my diffuser going, typically in the mornings I diffuse orange and lemon. Those are just my favorite. That's also what I put in the garbage disposal as well. I generally buy my essential oils from Whole Foods, or I did order some from Eden's Garden, which are really good. I am not a fan of Young Living essential oils. They're so strong and so perfumey to me. However, I love their Thieves line. I'm not a consultant or sell it or anything like that. I just buy it from someone who sells it usually. But that is what I wipe down everything in my kitchen with. So this table is always a catch-all and also where my children eat breakfast every morning. So I am just getting that wiped down before I move on to vacuuming and mopping my floors.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you.
You got me.
Now I am just filling up my spin mop with some hot water just from my sink, and I just use a cap full of the Thieves cleaner and I use that on my floors. Like I said, I love the smell of Thieves, so I try to use that pretty much all throughout my house because it just smells amazing. So that is what I am using on my floors and getting those all cleaned up because they were a sticky mess from my children all weekend.
'Cause I got you, and you got me too. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder.
Alright, so that is it for this video. My whole kitchen is clean and smelling good. Now, I do not always wash my floors, all that part of like my morning cleaning routine in the kitchen, but it was Monday, the day after the weekend, so it was like sticky and the kids had spilled, I don't know, cereal or something. There was something sticky over here by the table, so I just needed to get that wiped down. I also will clean the appliances as needed. I just kind of wiped them down quickly with some Thieves cleaner, but I didn't clean them with the stainless steel cleaner because they didn't need it. I had just done it not that long ago. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you consider subscribing. Make sure you go check out Ashna's channel. Like I said, I love her. I find her so motivating and her videos are just like so peaceful and like nice to watch and very calming and relaxing, but so motivating at the same time. So sometimes my like brain, I'm editing a video, I'm filming a video, I'm watching TV and looking at something on my phone like all at the same time, and I'm like on overload. So sometimes it's nice to just watch something that's peaceful and calming and also motivating. It's like the best of everything. So make sure you check her out, make sure you let her know that I sent you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.